Ebusian for aha Ghana TV GH, mesra like, comment, subscribe, and no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you notify. Ebusian for before I go assembly so no epamocho. Epesa MBA studio back with ewo. Na total cost of project near 25,000 Ghana cedis. So they call dollars my $2,300 US. Mboy, aye why? Obia oye touch bia so be boy no. Na about never screen as here no. Ida munyi na se na we dey bia. Na yen ko assembly mo. Guy bi Abranti bi say na oye Assemblies of God ni. But say they were just sorry no. Now Ebisano say, why have you stopped the church? Because I don't get it. You are Assemblies of God is a good church, beautiful church. You go to their branches, very beautiful branches. In fact, one of their churches, me Pepaye, was Circle, Accra, Holy Hill, very vibrant church. When you look at the way the guys in the church are handsome, some guys from one fair, the ladies are ladies in Susa, one fair. We say ni monyampa curve, hips, twice, nufo. So, Etibisa guy no say, despite all these things, no, why would you stop the church? And the guy's explanation is simple. See, he doesn't want to be in the same church as His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. That's why he stopped the church. Yes. Or see, when he looks at the kind of sins His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is committing, or should I say Debbie, he said, "Ma sorry, ni the area where the Debbie da. I have to stop here. There is no redemption in sight." And the Bushan for, even though it might sound funny, I agree with him in some way. We ask ourselves, say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, obey your man penino. Now say I didn't know. He was able to single-handedly build 10 different churches for Assemblies of God. Him alone, 10 different churches. Now, you see churches no, like he builds the church, buys the instrument, everything, and then also builds mission house for whichever pastor is coming there. We ask ourselves, say, Mr. President, where did you get the money from? It's coming afraid. For one person, built 10 churches. Now, you know Ghana right now, cost of land, cost of labor, cost of instrument. Last me could be sa keyboard be. I see Yamaha Mox 8. Ma monim keyboard ma. Sa keyboard they say 48,000 Ghana cedis. 48,000 Ghana cedis. Keyboard unkwan. Until let's say even the president spends about 5 million Ghana cedis on every church that he builds times 10, 50 million Ghana cedis, you know. You ask yourself, say, 4 years of president, ni salary requiring do saska. And why was he willing to spend that much? So it tells you, say, corruption is up next. Inflated figures are up next. So you understand why agencies under the office of the president never reduce it. But though I reduce it, now a budget for that office, I also Akufo-Addo need two more ding. I say Akufo-Addo need two more ding. Akufo-Addo doesn't have the country at heart. But the money Akufo-Addo was budgeting for the office of the president, right, with over 9 agencies, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is budgeting times 3 of that money for fewer agencies under him. The one that has a good heart, no. And if it were you, now this anepa no sorry, sorry no. It's me sorry no. Menjai. But I say the yen I say sorry man. And the comment section there opened. Let me know what church you will recommend for this guy, because as I say Assemblies of God, they don't call you. Yeah, I don't call because say unless maybe your mama His Excellency leaves Assemblies of God, maybe you will consider going back. But pass say on what's that story mood there on Kobium. Let's go and listen to this conversation and let's listen to the guy who said this. Don't go anywhere. It's a very interesting conversation. I'll see the next one. Cheers.
Me Assemblies of God crab book. Majority Assemblies of God, because I can't.
And then I'm out Assemblies of God.
I can't be in the same church, the same community. I can't share a same custom tradition with somebody on Nipa. I can't. And Papa or your Sunday school superintendent to the whole Ghana, you know, your Sunday school. Like when we go to church, we group us into various ways. We are discussing a topic in way. What I say, maybe me penanado, and I either say me conanado, sorry, and I say me co.
And I say
me conquer. Those two people
Anglican.
Those two people are
I don't know a basri.
Me patron mama me charge it. Me say
Charge.
I can take anything from the NDCU, but what I can't take, I can take their foolishness, I can take their imbecile, I can take their stupidity, I can take, but what I will not take from them is insults. Say Jimmy need you at them. And that Jimmy need you or describe Jimmy describe all there. I can never take that. I can never take that. Now, what is the issue here? You be about 8 years. Me the men come up for time. You get recruitment upon recruitment. Did we ever hear this? Yet it's asking where do a promo. Say a binman call recruitment a year. Am I yet your medical reports about trouble in Canada? Medical reports are meant to be confidential. If you can't keep it confidentiality, you must resign as a nurse or as a doctor or as a health care practitioner. And then NDC form, you are so stupid like that. Who discuss somebody's confidential medical reports? No, what do you go about? No, Yanka wants them because we knew say Ebia with some few sensible NDC in you know will call you people to order. Says how the other day, Papa Yana Nim said, can we yabumi a candle? I was thinking, say maybe he will call you people to order. Say medical reports are not supposed to go out. It is very confidential. Yeah, a candle. Minister for Health. Now come a say or did you put the so you don't know how prophet it is or no only health practices abon sanho. It is nkazinato. About that, you school them. You school John Dramani Mahama on confidentiality of health reports. Manana so ye na ni han yes upon share ya bon ni so etnase masa report ni ye the bar out ya come away. And now what you do to us is to tell us to say we are mentally disordered. John Dramani Mahama. Yeah, sepr. Ya nasi futuro Mahama is the whole no ababa say. Ya boy ma ni apega yensano. You are telling us to say we are mentally disordered. Yeah, that's it. Ya kocho ba mo wie. Na police force chese police ni kasa. Mahama no ababa say. Ya boy ma ni apega yensano. You are telling us to say we are mentally disordered. Yeah, that's it. Okay, really? Oh, mommy feedback. Me see, and now a police force sorry no mental disorder. Me patrol stop massage words. I just about them. The minister ne patrol me say a police force more police in say siano ma bodam. More stopping fabro from that nada bibi. Or say police force say the minister for interior some bodam muni nyansa. Aya bodam totally madness. Some papa na Kofi Adoma wani sani ade no so say ono sisa de wo from ba wo de no we are bodam in a grand star. Many are mad but few are naked. Edu bi na minister ne pa ka kire mo no many in the security
they are mad men in uniform.
I see many in the security services are mad, but few of them are in a police uniform. And one. For that, we can't take it from you, Mr. Mahama. Only when this is for. We can't take that from you. A police for almost 12 months, they've not been able to receive their allowances, rent allowances. When they open their mouth to say it, see they are mad. Recruitment and cry we didn't lose we lost a precious soul. We lost a precious and cry now we are precious to their dear parents, you know. Oh, yeah, mammy, be as some why we say. I'm not the simple D. Now, what I say, just say is the will of Allah. Yeah, that's it. Mudiam Kosoni at an adult man, Mahama, no good diatom. It is a name crack at the babies with sharp teeth in diatoma. Why won't I take it? Yeah, that must say, ya kota forms. Ye jina wiemu, ema yemu binu wuye, yemu binu yenya tuberculosis, yemu binu ya boa kwankoma wa, kosa ya huya dienina, only for you to come and tell us to say you wouldn't be able to pick us. The reason is we are mentally disordered. Ya bodam. Yeah, that's it. Now one about dancing St. George. Crowfubala, Oribala, Crowfubala, Crowfubala. One about dancing no. One about dancing no kuta tabrakwa. One about dancing you a candle. One about dancing Sammy Denfi. Yatamase. Nami kupon shiramo. Omamo kwantentina mudi bepum mani. Now we are all in it. We are all looking forward to seeing 2028. Musi ya bodam, ya dase. I teach a first one, so kasa. You say you should zip up. And then say you be sack him off you, or we will give you, or we will meant you to punishment. Ya dase. It's not culture of silence and one abano. Or see you people should shut up and I'm not bodam. Sebi, you didn't qualify. Now you have somebody on prioritizing free SHS. Somebody who does not see the value of free SHS. Ever catch the one, or ever catch us over before recruitment. Now Dan Kwaku gave you people, and Krana Mukoni Nadia Messi, Moria, and the Abomono. And it's a summer bodam. Now come on, Modama, you will not take somebody your mouth free SHS. Even sometimes ago in Ghana, really, not say Obibe secondary school will be here, a achievements. And then achievement, it is one of those things. It is one of those things. SHS certificate is one of those things. Sometimes they go, you know, na ye so be we SHS krana, na ye kodanya nkopon ye whole party because if ye be it is forbidden to complete SHS. Free SHS at Aroma, you people had the privilege, you people had the opportunity. You people had the privilege to go through this. School more Sankra free or no na Papa Kufuor Dark and Lovely President Dark and Lovely and a mama Sakwanyano umame wo free mudi aduane free muko SHS free mudi school free school aduane free ya mama school uniform free ya mama electricity free ya mama dana na moto tangu mu free mu wie ye na mudi bonua ye chia na na Dan Kwaku adoka obi na no me form adwuma ma di parasi otime fa wo say you are mad mentally disabled no say mentally disordered no say abodam mo ya abodam for. Why wouldn't they describe you about that for? Because you had a golden opportunity. You had the chance to be at the poll to tell Mr. Mahama, say, go and sit down. But you never did. More your ungratefulness. Muti. The baye. Express share. Control Betiana. Another Dan Kwaku say. What say your mind? No. Now I say, more dadano. Don't use securities. More dadano. Susumuntie. Or some way about down for every time another Dan Kwaku more na boots more police in Biana or Ghana Hobia, not the tie na chichiri in the two without bullets. A whole year near my bullet tobacco. A police in you, a whole year near my bullet tobacco. Now shoot at chia. Now Dan Kwaku year made you people say on mamma chese rent allowances no me see OCC die ebi wo Kumase ECC bi wa Accra emamo me krom brekum ebi go makonta fie about 11 rooms ye gini na ma police for up to now police for net wo mo they gave you this golden opportunity ye mam we na mo wie ye na mo kotro aba mo se mo pese pro ene mo ne na ye ka cho mo so ma bodam. Of course it is true wo bodam won't prefer NDC governance to Nanado or MPP governance. Me say, muni MPP for Niaman free. Muni MPP for Niaman free Ghana. Ghana no, I yet to say, a from place. We MPP for Niama, and Yamapa MPP for ye. Every Ghana. Ghana better than it is a from place. Your mama kwenya way na say you people could think for yourself. You people could move it me adwena mama ho. Move it me aye niam you can take decision. I mean you've read, you've been schooled. At least you can distinguish between true and nokre. You can read between lies. If it's a new partner can't sound crowd, just go on your smartphone, read about it so that you know say where okay one you must die. Mosi utunya kwa you gold enti no mo mpene mosi sisila da pa obisika gu ne paase mine sika nti wo mpene ena mokosa lie ena mokoto abati a sabi nyansafo ba womia na ye ka kire mo say security service no ya mfa mo ye HIV ye ne ba bia munya free ye ena so ye sa be ka kire mo ye say mo ye mentally disordered de kire ne say ma bodam mo ya bodam fo. You are only mad. Just my bodam, na mo shirt suits keke. Many are mad, but few are naked. I can't say mo naked. Na, minisa meta nso ye. Mama nto aso me pamacho why? Mama ni Sam George Juma kakra. Na, ye wia.
Ase. Ejia na kwa se many things won't mean kasa. Nti wo kasa wo 10 minutes no ordinary account.
Me dasi, ye wia ya sisa mine sika. E dey akwa ye laptop ye friendly lolono. Ye wia ya sisa mine sika o akwa ye tablet ye friend lolono ama waje na wo dey akwa ye codes program na me say codes program no mo wi ade adwuma pot me dey minimum mo me kire me adwuma pot ye mo be ye are they more important than say ye recruit nipa into the security service no. Security service amusimo di omo be run 24-hour economy no na mo catch omo say they are mentally disabled, they are mentally disordered, omo abodam eno no na mo de mo koye no omo wo no so omo so mo abodam munim nya chese mo abodam no chese minima se mo abodam to say obi on nam kejeti a onim ne left chese you are mad bodam self definition of bodam what bodam ho atete udi bini udi toilet o si san ne ma wo wuram wa bodam sana minister wo de taxpayers money etua ne kan o ka kire wo se wa bodam na me de se cannot describe NDC for kwa de ka fair enough I wouldn't have any qualms with him se cannot describe say NDC for am sorry ye am go rise ye say security services we didn't get chance meanwhile our government is in power no se ka catch them se mo na ma bodam and kasa bi se bia nya me ye se se nkura na omu ko wuye no nkura na omu wuye no maame ne gina so maame ne se omu awu it is the will of Allah because na nkura na bodam na nkura no HIV AIDS enti ne yanko omu how will you tell me say so na mutaka ne de ho I don't know. Oh no, the least said about him the better. I mean, I think said the obeying say he should just keep quiet and just watch the flow. And as ultimately ye bibia uncle hu na nadu dan kwa Kufuado. His Excellency. And now uncle hu the former minister for interior. Not trying to kwanya ye fa so ye recruitment. Now what me gina ho me di atama ka kire say ya bodam. Ye da se and crana yesa pen Mahama pen and na sing on funa yesa ye di wachi ye honfifire ye chim ye tade musi na so kokokoko ye di wo John Dramani Mahama achi no and na wo wakra ketwa wo small boy ka kire ye say ye ya bodam ye da na say of all the trauma we went through, even when we could not explain the 24-hour economy to the ordinary Ghanaians, we stood by you and make more catchers say ya bodam ye da ma say Yadamase, when we were not even able to explain women's bank to the ordinary Ghanaians, we still stood by you. Yet see, ya bodam yadase. Yadase na said ye bodia anka na nchieto no, enka comfort system. Mr. 2028 is just at the corner. It is just at the corner. Who catch us say ya bodam? Yo, ya bodam yadase. Yadase, ya madam say. Sakaya mother man kaya nyawo amamo fu amamo kankan emedi wachi ya jama mo papa we oho na na do kwa Kufuado amamo rich amamo mo na mo kan mo see I see Kufuado was doing a rich ruling a rich ruling ebedi wo John Dramani Mahama chi wo hu kura now the dey be niti kura to ano no John Dramani Mahama sada wo ka kire ye da say ya bodam what is say we sika e dey ma wo nua out of plane uye ya be ka kire say ya ye kopa adwuma no ya bodam na me dem anusi no ya bodam what is he doing about this? What is a candle doing about this? Because it's a disease which must be cured. Mental health yetimi sa enti again na all ye fa ho. What are you doing about it? The obey about it needs to come and tell us say ya bodam. If you fire bodam sem kosi ni yes fie wow. Yeah that say. Jodo man Mahama me say da bia meda wase say ya say the lady see kan no. O say kan na wotwe bia na da bia nko mo odua no. Me da bia meda wase. So when we say ya nkwase afo ya bodam e na ye kwotsa light to aba NDC Pasha bodam, Shamona bodam, Kwabinuma bodam. Chese NDC for ni na me and my sister Faustino wusi our bodam NDC women organize over breku mi so tie me wa bodam me ma me hwehworo ho ono so ya NDC no ono so wa bodam mun na ma bodam sa na mo minister ka cho anya NDC anya me na me kan ye ase mun na ma bodam mo am wa police am support NDC na minister for interior ase ma bodam that is the reason why you people were not recruited. Yeah, man say some people have paid protocol. We know. I say we sika when you sika in actually kwa protocol when you kwana so wa bodam kan wa no tum na wa bodam mun na ma bodam mo mo go up so mo yes pro dollar swati we swati o say ma bodam. That is mental disorder. Ni twi ye wa bodam. So when man me catch ro ni twi e ye wa bodam. And this is for yeah man say o and teachers for kasa mo si se teacher for kasa sabi mo punish mo no yen kan ho asem nwie ye nurses for kasa mo si nurses for ya shawo no yen kan ho asem nwie ye